Yes. So after we have just introduced the two electrodes, what's going to happen on this side? I want to check. So the water levels on the two is going to change. Moja itachange zaidi kuliko ingine because tumesema at the cathode we are going to form what? At the cathode tuna form anode cathode. One of it must be able to form oxygen, another one we're going to form hydrogen. So the bubbling confirms that there is production of bubbling in a confirmed production of gas. Yeah, there is a gas because for you to have a bubble inakwanga ni production of a gas. Now let's give it some time to see what happens to the levels of the water that is being hydrolyzed. So as it is continuing to do the electrolysis, because it's a process, we will be waiting for it to finish. Hii side tumetumia DC, so hizi ni batteries tu nimeziweka in series. Battery moja hapa iko na 1.5 volts. So all these batteries they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 12 times 1.5. 12 volts times 1.5, that is about 18 volts. Right? Yes. So we are supplying 18 volts of DC supply, that is direct supply from the batteries, which we are using it to the electrode and the anode and the cathode. With the test tubes, each test tube has got the the water that we're going to electrolyze. Then the solution, we used 1 molar sodium hydroxide as an electrolyte. Yeah. Yes. So you can see so far unaona the levels zina change. Hii imeteremka a bit more than the other one. This side seems to have more activity of water bubbling, and that's to tell you this is the cathode. This side is on the cathode, the other one is on the anode because there is a lot of activity of bubbling. Yes, now the levels are almost becoming definite enough to see